Node.js course create user API. Let's see how can we create. In this tutorial we will use Postman. I just hit the server backend address here and send request and receive my users collection data. Now go back to the VS Code. Let's create a signup API or a create a user API. Route.post signup, it will be user/signup. Then async function receive two parameters. First one is request and second one is response. After that, create a condition. If request body user and email and password does not exist, in that case response try again. Let's create user object. Const user equal to new user. Username has request body username, email request body email, and password request body password. Then try const new user await users.save. Once the data save, we get the result of that new user data. In case we receive any error, in that case we just show that error. Save. Our server is running. Let's check now. Here create a post request. Add this URL localhost 4000/user/signup and select post from this drop down. After that, go to the body, select raw, then write an object username Amos. Send request. We receive a message, try again, because as we mentioned in our code, all of three records required. Now go back to the Postman and write all of three. And make sure before send the request, recommended, mention here content type, application JSON. Now on body tab and included email and password information. Now send the data. Expected user included. Let's add some more users. Send request. These users also created. Now go back to the first tab and get users. We can see here new users created. For timing, use limited data to show how can we create a user. Another thing we will learn in our next episodes. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.